Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new Facebook account. So this will be the best and the beginner video. So how to start a Facebook account. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So what you need to do to get the Facebook, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then here you have to search for Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, just install your Facebook here, and then after installing your Facebook, let me just show you how you can create a new account of your Facebook for beginners. So let us wait until it gets downloaded. So I have successfully downloaded the Facebook application. Just click on open option. This type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, let me just explain you here. To create a new account, what you need to do here, just click on this create new Facebook account. So you just need to click here. Okay, so after clicking here, this type of interface will pop up. So just
We will
click
help you
on
create a
next
new
option.
Facebook account
Allow
in a
it.
few easy steps with audio support. Click the speak.
So now here you have to select your Gmail. So let me just go for my Gmail address. You can just go for your Gmail. So let me just go for one Gmail. Okay, this is the Gmail, and then click on next option. Now here what's your birthday? So you just need to set your birthday. So let me just set up my birthday, and then click on next option. Select your gender. If you're girl, then go for female. If you're a boy, then go for male. So I am a boy, so let me just go for male, and click on next option. Here you have to enter your mobile number. So let me just enter my mobile number here. Okay, now click on next option, and then you have to create your password. So let me just enter it. And then now click on next option, and you can see here you have to, if you want to add your email, you can add it. If you don't want, just skip it. So let me just skip it. I don't want to add any email. Just click on sign up option here, creating your account. See, it's a very pretty simple. Just wait for some time and your account will be created. This is for a beginner who haven't yet created an account on Facebook. So basically here you can see you have to change your name. So let me just go for and click on next option. It's not usage, so let me just go for star. Just wait for some time. Until that, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. Creating your account, just wait for some time, it's done. So you can see here signing in, and just wait for some time. It depends upon the network that you're using, and just click on not now. If you want to save the password, you can save it, and here you can say remember your password and this and that, and click on OK. And then here
Select the email address.
here you can see choose the email you want to confirm it to your profile. So let me just choose this email, and then click on next. And then here you can see I have successfully created an account. So if you want to add your profile pictures, just click on choose from gallery, and then click on allow, and then select a picture here. Okay, so let me just select one picture here and click on done option. Let me just go for this picture. Click on save option on the top right corner, and it's on an uploading process. So here you can see it's done, and then add 5 friends. So let me just add it, and then click on done option. Now you can see a Roman extra. Just click on OK, and then your Facebook account has been created. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.